cranking. So, okay. Alright, everything works. No problem. There you go. Just start it right there. This. Power, pretty good. Not cranking, so that's you. There you go. Bad starter, need to be replaced.